Hey everyone again, it's Paul here with Cards and Cards. We're gonna do a unboxing of this 2018 Panini Prizm Mega Box. I was at Walmart today getting my prescription filled, and while I was waiting, I was walking around the store and I saw this, and I had never seen a Mega Box before of Prizm. Seen other stuff, but not this one, so I thought give it a test. It was $35. It's Let's rip it open. I like the way the Prizm cards look, so that's why, kind of why I went after it. So yeah, one exclusive rookie autographs Prizm neon green pulsar per box on average. So it's only one hit, but it's a higher end hit. Looks like there's one per pack for inserts. Ten packs. All right. First pack. Got a Pierre Garçon, T.Y. Hilton, a Landon Collins neon green pulsar insert, and a Jerome Baker rookie. Never heard of him. Oh, this looks like my hit. First is a James Washington rookie. Not bad. Kiko Alonso. Torrey Smith. Ugh. Ah. Nyheim Hines. That's not bad. Could be worse. So the rest are just going to be inserts. On base, Alshon Jeffrey, Alex Smith, Aaron Jones, Shaquem Griffin. It's pretty cool. Dion Lewis, Matt Ryan. That's cool. Calvin Ridley Instant Impact insert. Jamon Moore, rookie on the Packers. Marshawn Lattimore, Jerick McKinnon, Ezekiel Elliott, Trey Quinn. Ryan Tannehill, Kareem Hunt, Simi Cobbs Jr. rookie insert, neon green pulsar. Not numbered though. Dante Pettis. Jay Ajayi, Melvin Gordon, Vontez Perfect, rookie Josh Sweat. Robbie Anderson, Deshaun Watson, Kelvin Benjamin, Deshaun Hamilton rookie. I like the way the cards look. So they reflect. It's cool. Bo Scarborough rookie, Jameis Winston, Cole Beasley, And a rookie introduction insert, Royce Freeman. Got a Gronk, AJ Green, Marlon Mack, and rookie Tremaine Edmonds. So yeah, kind of what I expected. I didn't expect much out of it, but probably wouldn't buy it again. So yep, there you go. See you guys.